my favorite gel that I've ever. Hi baby boos, good morning. So it is currently 4:16. I just brushed my teeth. I need to wash my face, but I'm gonna do all that in the shower. So today I want to share something really exciting with you guys. I'm really getting back into just like trying new things for my hair. I color treated my hair and it's still really healthy. Quality of it is great. My curls are great. I'm gonna be on this journey growing my hair back out to its natural color. Hi, if you're new here, I'm LaTerra. Just be rambling, yapping on this channel, getting into it. I wanted to show you guys this new product I found. So I'm gonna do a wash and go, and I'm gonna show you guys my one product wash and go. I never in my life thought I would say that with confidence and have no issues. I'm gonna be doing this one product wash and go and just giving you guys a little product review of something new that I found, and shocker, it's so old. If you do like these types of videos, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you do get notified when I post. Be a part of the village, be a part of the family, and if you want to stalk and stick around, all of my social media will be right here as well as linked down in the bio below. I'm gonna hop into the shower, wash my hair, and I'm gonna show y'all this product that just real life changed my life, to be very honest with you. Hi, I'm going to be using Big Poppa. This says it is a defining gel, pop and curls, notorious definition for all curl types. I've seen girlies who've been like, oh, one product wash and go, one product wash and go. I'm not a believer. And I said what I said. I ate my words. I ate the dust because she changed my life. And the Doux has been out for so long, like so freaking long. And I don't know if there's new formulas, if there's what, this and that, but this is my first time.
Apply to freshly washed wet hair in sections, raking from roots to ends, air dry, hood dry, or diffuse. Allow hair to dry completely before fluffing, separating as desired.
And we are going to air dry because we have to go to work, and we work at 6 and it's 4:53 now. Those are the instructions, and I'm gonna, do what I do, guys, go section by section. I'm gonna show you guys the first piece and show you what it's looking like. I'll come back to you guys when I have like my last section, which will be up here. And I have to tell you a story, so, okay. I know y'all see it. Yeah. See if I can speed run through this in like 10 minutes. But I just wanted to tell you guys this story. So, your girlie, she likes to have fun. Whatever, right? So, I was out the other week. I was drinking. I went to this event, had a couple of drinks. This is not me condoning drinking. I'm also of age, so, I don't drink, like, a lot. I really drink in social occasions. So this was a social occasion. I was drinking. I had literally a couple of drinks. Not even drinks. I had maybe like 3-4 shots. This also happened to me previously, which is why I'm telling this story now, is like a reaffirming occurrence. I've noticed that when I drink, after I have like 3 shots up, it starts to get a little, like when I start really having fun, I know tomorrow is gonna be bad. So I've noticed that like alcohol gives me this post-drinking like sadness. Does that happen to anybody else? Like, I don't know if that's just me or what to like ask someone about. It's like that, like I just be having so many bad intrusive thoughts, and I'm like, literally nothing was wrong before this. All of my bad memories are not bad. They're not even bad memories. They're just like really bad and sad thoughts, and I just be really like sad. I definitely believe alcohol demons, because you know how they be calling alcohols like tequilas, vodkas, all that kind of stuff like spirits, you know? And I really think alcohol has bad spirits in it. I don't know. In the moment, I be having the time of my life. Don't mind socially drinking, because when I socially drink, I just have fun. It's cool. It's not something I would do all the time at all. And I'm not saying that you should just be drinking to have fun, because you can definitely have sober fun. Right now, in this path of my life, I'm not having like bad mental days. To be a lot of them, to be very honest with you. Like, I'm very happy right now. Like, one day I came back and I was like, why am I so sad all of a sudden? Like, and then the other day, I literally posted on my Finsta and I said, I was really going through it this night, y'all. Like, when I tell you I was really going through it, I was really going through it. And I can't get into like the things that I would be feeling sad about, because they're really personal. Some of the things like I just don't even need to speak on or say too much, because it's just like, it is what it is, and that's what it's gonna be. There's no need to dwell on it, and usually I don't be dwelling on it, but then I be drinking and like all these thoughts be coming up and I'm like, yeah, no. Let me know in the comments if you guys also like may feel like that sometimes. All right, y'all, here is the finished results. The definition. Make sure all that's in, but all right, and then here's the back. I will come back to show you guys how it dries, as well as how I preserve my hair for the night to make my wash and go last. Gone throughout the entire day pretty much, and I'm about to eat and go to sleep. So I wanted to show you guys what I do to preserve my hair. I am going to split my hair like this down the middle. This is what the back looks like. I'm going to take scrunchies. I have like some loose coochie scrunchies. Take my looser fitting scrunchies that I have, and I put them up at the top, and I wrap those 3 times, and then I take like a tighter scrunchie and I put it at the bottom and I wrap it twice. So this is what it's gonna look like. And then you'll end up looking like this. But basically, I'm going to then put a scarf on and put my bonnet on and go to sleep, wake up in the morning, literally just take it down, and it's gonna be like perfect. Like, this gel has such a nice hold, but like this literally is the minimum amount that I need to put the crunch. If you're someone who doesn't like, sorry, let's not do this. If you're someone who like doesn't like no crunch at all, maybe you should put some oil in your hair. I'm low-key kind of scared. Like, my hair isn't super not moisturized. That's why I make sure I do a really good wash before, because this is a one product wash and go. So you gotta really pick a product that's gonna give your hair moisture or lock in the moisture, you know what I mean? And also does a good job of defining and holding it. And I think she's a winner for me. She's definitely a winner. And then price range too, like, this may be my favorite gel that I've ever, this is my favorite gel I've ever used. As a wash and go girly, they can never make me hate her. that's where I'm ending the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you do get notified when I post. If you want to stalk and stick around, all my social media will be right here, as well as linked down in the bio below. Be sure to join the village. Be sure to join